What is the symbolism behind the shape of the Pyramids of Giza? The Pyramids of Giza, including the Great Pyramid of Khufu, were built as tombs for the pharaohs and their consorts during the Old Kingdom period of ancient Egypt. Their shape is thought to have several symbolic meanings. One interpretation is that the shape of the pyramids represents the primordial mound, which was a creation myth in ancient Egyptian religion. According to this myth, the first land emerged from the waters of chaos in the form of a mound, which was believed to be the birthplace of the sun god Ra. The pyramid's four sides were also thought to represent the four cardinal points of the compass, which symbolized the pharaoh's authority over all of Egypt. Another interpretation is that the pyramid's shape represents the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife. The pyramid's sloping sides were thought to represent the ramp that the pharaoh's spirit would ascend to reach the heavens after death. The pyramid's chambers and passages were also thought to be symbolic of the underworld that the pharaoh's spirit had to navigate on its journey to the afterlife. Overall, the shape of the Pyramids of Giza was imbued with symbolic meaning that reflected the ancient Egyptians' beliefs about creation, death, and the afterlife.